Okay, this is a video about testing redundancy in the network design. This is packet tracer 7.2.3. And we have our design here. We're going to check it out, do some testing to compare the way switches and routers, routed hierarchical network stabilize after a major link failure. So I've got some PDF papers here that give me the information that I need that came with the packet tracer, and we're going to give this a go, and hopefully everything works the way it's supposed to. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to console into one of the devices. So we'll console into router 3, router 2. Alrighty. I don't see where it ever gave me that password, but anyway, we figured it out. So we're going to ping router 1, which is 1.172.18.4.1. Nice. Okay, and that seemed to work. Then we're going to ping 0.5. Okay, that seemed to work. That was router 1, a different interface. Then we're going to try router 2, 4.2, not 4.2. Okay. Then we'll do router 3, which is 0.14. And we're going to do router 4, which is 8.1. Okay. And we're in switch 1. So, just a minute, there's another paper here. We'll ping PC1 and switch 4. Switch 4 is 8.2. Excuse me. Switch 3 is 4.5. Okay. Switch 2 is 4.4. 4. Okay. PC1 is 4.10. Okay, and PC2 is 8.10. So we can ping everything, and the server, we'd better do the server, is 4.25. Okay, that all works. Okay, so my next thing to do is to telnet into router 1. So we're going to do telnet router 1 through interface FA0/0 is 172.18.4.1. Do I know the password? We'll try class. Not it. Cisco. Cisco. Nice. Okay. This must be class. Nice. Okay, we're going to do a show running configuration config. Show running config. It's going to be one of those days. Okay, so this shows all of our configurations. Version we're using, our host name is R1. Okay, then the next command we're going to do is show IP route. Alright, this shows us our IP route. We're directly connected there. We have EIGRP on these two right here, and this one right here. We've got a direct connection right here. Alrighty. Okay, so we're going to exit this, and we're going to telnet into router 2, which would be 172.18.4.2. Cisco EN class. And we're going to do the same command, show run. Okay. It shows we have spanning tree on router 2. We didn't on the other one. Router 1 didn't. Shows us our interfaces with our IP addresses. We have a VLAN. We have EIGRP1 running on here. Okay, then we're going to do a show IP route. We have 3 routes that are running EIGRP and 2 that are directly connected. That was router 2. So we're going to exit that. And we're going to do telnet into router 3, which is 172.18.0.14. let's go en class show run. Okay, this one was like, shows us our version. We don't really have EIGRP running on here or anything running on here. Then we're going to do show IP route. We have 3 directly connected networks on this one and 2 EIGRP connections running on here. Okay, we're going to do an exit. We're going to telnet into router 4, which is 172.18.8.1. Show run. Okay, that kind of gives us the same thing. Show IP route. Shows we have 3 EIGRP routes, those 2 and this one, and 2 directly connected ones, that one and this one. Okay. Okay, so now we're going to exit and we're going to do tracert to PC2, which is 172. Eighteen 18.8.10, and we're going to see how many hops. Okay, so I went through router 1 to router 3 to router 4 and then to our PC. Okay, let's do 4.10. Of course, it's 1 hop. Okay, now we're going to do a show IP protocol. I think we need to go back to here and do a show IP protocol. Maybe it's with an S. Right on. Yeah, that don't work. Okay. Okay, so I telnetted into router 1, and I did the show IP protocols on router 1, and it shows router protocol is EIGRP1, redistributing EIGRP1, and it's going through 172.18.0.6 gateway and the 172.18.4.2 gateway. So now we're going to try the show IP EIGRP topology. Okay. IP EIG topology table for as1. So the P's mean passive. So these are all passive. And they're all EIGRP, and they show what network they're on, what interface they're on, And this is for router 1. So now let's do show IP EIGRP interfaces. So it tells us that FA001 and FA00 are both EIGRP interfaces. Okay. Okay. So now we're going to exit out of this, and we're going from PC1, we're going to enter a ping -n 1000 172.18.4.25. Psh! I hate it when I do that. 72.18.4.25 to ping the discovery server through the switched network. And then to simulate the a link failure, we're going to remove the link between S1 and S3. So we're going to remove this link right here. So I'm going to press enter. We're going to go to this little X, and we're going to go ping, and that's gone. So that stopped our ping. It's kind of paused it out because it's lost its link, and it's got to figure a different route to get through to that. So that might take it a little bit. Okay, so it's went a different route. Okay, we're going to press Control C to get out of that. And then we are going to, obviously didn't get that done. We're going to telnet into switch 1, which is 172.18.4.3. Cisco class. Sorry, you just have to bear with me. I've been sick and I'm still not doing real great, but I'm trying to keep up with this schoolwork. VLAN 1. Okay, we're going to issue the show spanning tree VLAN 1 command. And that shows our spanning tree. Shows what interface we have them on. Okay, we're going to exit out of this, and we're going to telnet into switch number 2, which is 172.18.4.4. And we're going to run that same command. So this one's only running on 2 interfaces. One is the root role, one's the designation role. Okay, telnet into switch number 3, which is 172.18.4.5. This one's the same as 2. You have a root 1 and a designated 1. And switch 4. Okay, this shows pretty much the same thing. So you have 4 running on switch 1, or no, switch 2, and 3 networks running on, or 3 links running, or 2 links running on the other 3. Okay. So now we're going to exit back out of this, and we're going to issue another ping command. I did that one already. Okay, I've already done the ping one, so I kind of did it backwards, so I didn't have to switch around so much. It seems like I'm doing lots of switching here. So now we're going to do a tracert command from PC1 to PC2. PC2 IP address is 172. .18.8.10. So it's kind of, it went to router 1 to router 3. So it went from router 1 to router 3 to router 4. Obviously to switch 4 and then over here. So there's 100% going into this, and there's obviously 100% coming out of it. So that concludes this packet tracer video on testing redundancy in the network design and using the show commands. Thank you for watching.